Hey guys, Skippy33. I'm going to be solving a Square-1 and a Rubik's Cube in response to Niclausio's challenge. His time on these together was about 3:30-ish, 3 minutes 30 seconds. Hopefully I can make it up in the Square-1 time because his Rubik's Cube solve was really fast. So, there were no scrambles. They're just random. You can take a look at it. I think it's fairly random, at least scrambled enough. If not, oh well, it's not my problem. Alright, so let's get working on this. Alright, he started with the Square-1 first, so I'm going to start with that. Oh boy. Barely. 329.16, so it was close. It was a bad solve for the 3x3. It's a good Square-1, but a bad 3x3. So yeah, if anyone else wants to do challenges, let me know, because I'd be happy to do more. Till then, see you next time.